We sail into a sweltering soccer night in downtown St. Petersburg. The Tampa Bay Rowdies back in Ao Lang, ready to make it count with some fireworks against Monterey Bay FC. Now Boone gets a shot in! Just what the doctor ordered for Monterey Bay FC. Go. Tight to the bar, coming out and collision. It is a penalty. Now he's looking at a chance to equalize from the spot. Dennis to approach. Lets it fly. He scores! Dennis's 8th goal of the season. It comes from the spot. More importantly, it is 1-1. Trying to split the defense. Doherty lays it back, running on late. LaCava! Makes it 2-1, Rowdies' first lead of the night. Williams gives it a go, and it's in the back of the net off the deflection. 3-1. LaCava lurking again, lays it back. Martinez! His first of the season, and that will just about do it for the Tampa